All right, welcome again to the Current Graph Market channel. You guys recognize what time it's miles. We're going to be speaking approximately none aside from XRP itself, so permits waste no greater time and get right into it. So you understand first and main Satisfied Friday. You recognize Glad Friday anywhere you are around the world, you realize. You are seeing the wider marketplace searching at mega bullish right now, as we are obviously in Friday. And, you know, talking approximately Bitcoin, there is lots happening with Bitcoin, which of root is having you realize honestly high quality impact at the broader marketplace. But if we're focusing on XRP right now, you are looking at XRP down approximately 0.3% in USD comparative. The rate is thinking about at 54.53 cents, also down about 2.2% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is above $31 billion in the 24-hour buying and selling volume billion. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not economic advice. Always do your very own due diligence and research when you are making an investment in crypto. Will you observe this CME Bitcoin future? Open interest hits a brand new all-time excessive. Shouldn't actually be coming as a wonder element, because you recognize we're seeing a section 2, pretty an awful lot starting. Institutional cash is flowing in. You realize the likes of Morgan Stanley, you understand publishing that they are preserving ETF. Speaking about ETF, what's a whole sport changer, not only for Bitcoin, however different property, along with XRP, which includes Solana, other crypto property, and I'll provide an explanation for what that absolutely is. And this is none aside from this news that has come out these days especially. And I think over the direction of the remaining 24 hours, I think there was this declaration that everyone insiders already knew about. Hence, you had been seeing the fee of Bitcoin picking up the traction that it's been over the path of the last few days. And you can see New York Stock Exchange options buying and selling on none other than Bitcoin ETFs. Guys, this is a massive, large assertion. People do not comprehend how big of a deal this truly is. Now, human beings can alternate Bitcoin ETFs. This is going to bring in loads of volume into Bitcoin as well as the crypto enterprise. And while human beings begin to realize into Bitcoin and even choice trading, they're going to demand greater property. And we recognize the complete panorama as far as ETFs are worried. XRP landscape is transferring. And I do trust that we are able to at some point, and I assume very within the near future, no longer even a long, lengthy street in advance. I suppose we are going to end up seeing an XRP ETF alongside a few different altcoins. That's a route going to be a recreation changer. The crypto enterprise, I suppose, is ready to be poised. Our marketplace is involved. You already know, post to move sincerely insane in the approaching years in advance, people. Obviously, the marketplace valuation now, you realize, appears to be this type of large market valuation. However, whilst you virtually start looking at the larger picture, how much money is set to circulate crypto, that simply makes you get excited. And you may see this proper right here, but by no means is a small you realize statement. This is a large, big announcement. This is coming out. And talking approximately that you men can see shopping for Bitcoin like in no way earlier than something is coming huge time. And though there may be still a vast quantity of resistance coming in, however, the quantity of extent that ETFs are seeing, the quantity of volume that is coming into Bitcoin type of makes feel why the likes of Bitcoin dominance is selecting up the way it has been. Shutter to Smoke for bringing some extremely good, great information for us to, without a doubt, apprehend what the capacity of XRP surely is. But you can see, let's move over what Smoke posted. So this is a motive why the charge of XRP does no longer count number. Documented, of course. Institutional traders look beyond the modern price of XRP for several reasons of path. Smart is usually inside the recognize. First, the essential advantage XRP over traditional banking structures, especially Swift, highlights its potential for lengthy term increase and adoption. XRP offers real-time transactions with close to zero cost and wider coverage, making it extra inclusive charge approach for banks of all sizes. Whether you are small or big, this makes no difference. And you could see this technological facet positions XRP favorably as the financial enterprise evolves toward a blockchain solution. Second, XRP fee stability is appealing. Despite experiencing fluctuations, it has maintained an enormously strong price range compared to other cryptocurrencies. This maturity makes it more attractive underlying asset for institutions looking into making an investment in virtual currencies, as it mitigates the risk associated with extra unstable alternatives like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Additionally, the capability futures fee of XRP is supported by means of the developing reputation of blockchain generation and blessings. Governments and groups keep to discover decentralized answers. The common cryptocurrency market, together with XRP, is predicted to grow. And let's not overlook the XRP ledger. That simply modifications the game, and this is in which I think XRP truly gains numerous traction. Obviously, in the early years, we have been nevertheless within the speculative segment, and I assume that is what's converting right now. And tasks which have actual global use case, which might be changing the way we do our everyday banking, or we use finance in well-known, simply absolutely revolutionizing the whole finance world. Ripple is such a corporation that I think XRP, a ledger, will definitely be a massive participant in the approaching close to destiny. And humans, in terms of, after I say humans, I'm talking about ordinary investors in the XRP, to sort of be less structured on this SE case. People are beginning to see the larger photograph. What is absolutely taking place, because of course if this lawsuit changed into just happening and Ripple changed into doing genuinely nothing and just staying stagnant, then manifestly pink flags. But you are starting to see Ripple actually increase. And what their vision is, they have been doing that, and they've been increasing globally. And this is in which the exhilaration component comes into play. So you can see, despite the fact that the cutting edge fee of XRP isn't always where you personally want it to be its underlying era stability and potentially the future growth, and what really topics for institutional investors, could not agree extra. And at the stop of the day, XRP is a crypto mission that's a local coin. And if you assume that XRP has no danger associated to it, then you're completely unsuitable. Every coin, whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, regardless of what coin you examine, there may be continually a risk factor related to it. But that is in which your due diligence and research comes into play. What humans really understand is the technological side of factors balance what it is doing, basics proper. Fundamentals are the entirety. And if you deep dive into Ripple, I'm positive you men recognize how many large moves those men are making. And I assume when RLUSD launches, this is going to be a large game changer. Looking on the Bitcoin dominance still sitting at a yearly high, have to not be coming as a surprise due to the fact Bitcoin another time hit a brand new month. Monthly excessive setting up to $69,0000. But in case you're searching at XRP, we are seeing a little bit of a lag, seeing a little bit of sluggish fee moves, have not seen that wick being crammed at that 56.7 cents after that false alarm assertion came out. But I do agree with that XRP will be capable of reap these prices in the approaching days in advance, folks. And a path, Stuart stated subsequent week, they may be going to post their shape. Exact matter said in that, I think XRP's charge should have a high quality impact on that. But glaringly allows take it one step at a time. Let me recognize down under what you guys suppose in terms of uncertainty. Uncertainty remains pretty high, accept as true with it or not. As you guys realize, I keep it 100% impartial. And uncertainty is still pretty high for XRP due to the unique lawsuit, due to majority of the holders which have been preserving XRP for quite a while from an exclusive point of view. However you understand, capability new buyers are nonetheless hesitant. And once more, you already know that does make sense. And additionally, don't forget us elections coming up. That is the key component we want to preserve in thoughts. Let me recognize down under what you men think. I love you all. See you the next day on Coming Rough Market, and peace out.